So, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to review one of the current hot products which I found on the Amazon. As you can see, the same build of the power bank is available with different companies, different brands. You can see here one for 140 watts for 89 euros with 26% discount, then Amegat, then another one no name with 99 euros, and Amegat again, then Powerbank PD-Y45 watt for 99 again with some discount, all looking the same. So I got one of the cheapest one, which was from the Amegat on a special discount, and we are going to review one of these today. The same one is also available from Poweradd for almost 100 euros minus 25% discount. This one is no name again. This one is no name. You can see all of them have almost the same build. So we are going to look today the one from brand Amegat. So let's see what is on the back. It says 24 months of warranty and 140 watt of super fast input and output. So, and has this digital display, 2 times of USB-C and 1 normal USB. And for the specification it says it had 6 pieces of 4600 mAh batteries, almost 100 watt hour at 21.6 volts, so which translates to 3.6 volt per battery, which indicates to a lithium ion, not iron phosphate batteries, but the normal lithium ion polymer batteries. So let's see what the specification says. The first of the USB-C port can deliver the normal one at 20 volts 5 ampere, but also 28 volts at 5 amperes. That is input, and output is again 28 volts at 5 ampere. Then USB-C second port can supply 65 watts, and both can simultaneously support 2 times 65 watts. We will check. Yeah, weight is around 643 grams, and yeah, different combinations are also given. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, so shrink wrap is gone now. Then the power bank is there, one cable, some sturdy looking cable, and yeah, some metal. It seems heavy. This is not a surprise. And what else is there inside? Yeah, one manual. The model number is PBQ2610. What is in the manual? How to charge, how to recharge, and what is on the screen. And it can also measure multiple ports simultaneously. We will check. It can also show maximum capacity, temperature, total output. Oh, so it can also count all the total power given out, and the screen display time. It has temperature sensor which cuts out at 45 degrees, or 60 degrees. So it will not charge when the temperature is 45 degrees. It will not charge and discharge when it is 60 degrees, and it will not charge when the temperature is below 0 degrees, which I would say is rather good. And the same specifications are printed on the power bank itself. And it has nice anti-slip mats here, and two USB-C ports and one normal port. And the model name is Omnia 2, which was never mentioned anywhere on the pack. And how much is the default capacity here? So it came with 52% charge. So let's play with the button first. Small, and then switch off, switch on, then connect to get something out of it. Nothing. Screen display time is always. So let's connect one of the ports and see how much power it can output. So the first one, it is displaying 10, 20, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, so it is charging. It says input. Yeah, so it cannot charge now. Let's see. So till now it has no runtime. Last charge to 52%, capacity is 100%, and oh, it can also count the battery cycles. And till now it seems to be, it has been charged once with 106 watt-hour. Current temperature is 23 degree Celsius. And let's try to charge another power bank which is currently at 0%. And let's see, one of the USB-C I have connected to the laptop, and it is taking currently 25 watts, and according to the meter it is 40 watts, 46 watts. Okay, so the number seems to be correct. Here it is 53 watts, here it is 52.8, so which is almost same. Let's try to do simultaneous outputs. So the second USB-C, one USB-C port and another one is the normal port. And does it identify it? Doesn't seems to be the case. Now it has identified 2.7 watts. So at least this seems to be working. Currently all the three ports are in output mode with, first port is giving out 6 watts, second is 53 watts, and the third one at 10 watts. Okay, currently all the three ports are outputting. Let's see if it can be tricked into outputting. That seems to be the case. Okay, now it is tricked into simultaneous discharging and charging. But this does seems to be very low input. Let me take this out and try it again. So I have connected two different power banks. This one is from Basius, can output 65 watts. This one can 100 watts, but this power bank doesn't seems to be negotiating more than 18 watts. And I'm using the cable supplied with the power bank. Okay, so I have tried multiple cables. It doesn't seem to be charge or discharge at 140 watts. I will try another cable which is specified at 140 watts. This cable also does not goes above 25 watts, and it cannot seems to negotiate with another power bank. Maybe chips are incompatible, but now it has negotiated again at 2.2 watts. Since it doesn't works with other power banks, it is not able to negotiate its charging or discharging capacities which is advertised. I am here with my Powerstation, which I know that supports 100 watts. So let's connect it here, and 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95 watts. So at least with the supported power station or power supplies, it is able to negotiate. So let's see, it says 95 watts incoming, and it is taking 101 watts. So it's a pretty good conversion rate. So 140 watts from power bank to power bank doesn't work, but from power station to power bank it works. And both ports are able to support 100 watts. At least that is what my power station can do maximum. Switches between 99 to 100. And it can at least output 64 watts. I was not able to make it output 100 watts to charge my power station. So it seems to me that the chipsets needs to be compatible also. And it can support, you can see here, 65 watts one, another one is almost 55 watts, which is 120 watts, and let's connect the third one also, which according to specification should also come to 140 watts. So close enough. 53 plus 18, almost 20 watts. That is 70 plus 65 is around 135 watts. So in this way, this power bank really supports 140 watts. So in my opinion, this is a very interesting product, a power bank Omnia 2 mix 140 watts with compatible cables and compatible chipsets. It seems to be delivering a real 140 watts. I will update if I found out more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and give your valuable comments. Thanks a lot. Let's do one more try. So I have connected this one to the other power bank, which is also 140 watts, and it seems to support at least 101 watts of output. So we can see it can accept at least 100 watts and output 100 watts. Input 106.20. Oh wow. So at the end, with the compatible power bank, which in this case the NU one, it can accept 140 watts, which seems to be good, and at least it is delivering what it promised. And let's see whether it can also output 140 watts. And it seems to me that only if one port is connected, then it will support 140 watts at one port, and if multiple ports are connected, then it does not support multiple 140 watts, which is correct according to the specification. Let's try whether it can negotiate now an output. No, currently input still 138 watts. And try again for output. Yes, 20, 30, 46, 50, 80, 90, 102, 3 watts. Okay. Yeah, at least it seems to be the case that it can accept 140, and total is 140 watts also. If we can see that it can do all together. No, not this one. This is an interesting combination. It is outputting 103 watts and getting charged at 43 watts. So at the end, in my opinion, it's a very interesting power bank with impressive chipset, and it delivers what it says on the package. In my opinion, it's a buy recommendation from me, and yeah, from now on, in my opinion, I will take it everywhere, because it can charge at very high rates and discharge at high rates, and all the ports can be charged or discharged at the same time. It does not have the problems of ROMOS, where only one port can deliver one high power or PD output at the same time, or this one from where I was never able to get 100 watts. So in my opinion, it seems to deliver what it says on the package. That's it. So if you want a tear down video of this power bank, give comments and I will make a tear down video of this too. Thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe and give your valuable feedback and comments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.